Okay, see this, make sure that you go back to this one first. Press down this one, very easy. Example, I change the number to 1 to 3. Okay, just example lah, you can do your own number. Okay, you finish, you see this arrow, press. It goes up, it's set to this number already. Okay, so try. Okay, so you want to lock, can you go back to your the 1 to 3 that I put. 1, 2, okay. Okay, so yeah.
Suppose we forget the limbo.
Okay.
Now I go back to my 0, 0. If like this, I cannot press right, so I have to go back to the 1, 2, 3 first. See, I can press. So I press down.
Oh, this one press down only can press this one.
Huh? No. You
Okay.
see,
Okay.
because it's set to 1 to 3 already, right? If I want to set my new number, if the number is different number, I cannot
You cannot,
press.
I understand.
So I have to go back to my 1, 2, 3 number so that I can press. So now I can set to the new number like this. Okay. Go back to 0, 0. Where is the store number?
Okay.
And don't forget press. Now it's 0, 0 again.
Okay.
Okay. Later, if you want to do your own, you have to go back to this number first. Press down, and then change your number, and then press so that it will set to your new number.
Okay.
Okay? That's it.
If we forget,
If you must remember, if you forget,
Don't.
you cannot open when you cry. You have to go back. You go to service center.
You go to internet, so many kids wanna have.
Well, it's headache lah. Headache when you forget. Please, you do want, if you finish your number, take a picture. Okay? So that if you forget, go back to your picture. So remember this one, this model, when you do the numbering, I mean you like this, your number is like that. You see this here? This is the handle side. Okay? So this.
so that is a top.
It's right wrong side to balik one. So now I take out this one. Okay, this is here like this. Okay? Check. Like this.
Is it problem that the phone can?
The one is under warranty. Can go to service center. Okay?
Service center means
Service center is not here. It's in Gelang. I will give you the
okay.
contact number. Okay?
No, have right. We can see the network. See mobile.
Can. Yeah, so I take out this one. This one I need to check it.